Okay, so I am going to show you how to use the new fob system if you need to look up students. So first thing you need to do is log into your Google account. So like your email or just on a Google page. Click on the little waffle icon. Click on Canvas. And just make sure that you are then logged into your Canvas account. You don't need to do anything in Canvas once you're logged in, but you do have to log in first. Then once you do that, you will open up a new browser and you will go to iwacademy.a+attendance.com and it should automatically log you in. It might ask you to authorize your account, but that's fine. Just click authorize and then this screen should come up. To look up a student, you're going to want to click on Students, then find Student, and then just start typing their last name. I mean, you don't have to type everything, so just do Brown, and then it'll list everyone that is close to the name that you started typing. We'll just pick Mackenzie, so I click on her name. And then you can see I'm looking at Mackenzie Brown. Then you'll want to click Attendance, then Timetable. And then it will bring up all of her fobs. Something to pay attention to is this date right here. You can click that and change your date range, so just make sure that the date you're looking for is actually within your date range. But then if you scroll down here, so we'll just look at this week. So notice she has not been fobbing into homeroom. But then right here she had government at 8:05, so she fobbed in. She had AP Bio, she attended that. She had World Lit, she attended that. And then right here it says she went to the NPR for an open lab. So open labs this time is going to revert back to the hour. But if you come down here and put your cursor over this little bubble, it will tell you the exact time that she actually fobbed in. So students might have more than one fob at 10 o'clock because there's two different, mods that start in 10 o'clock, but you can see the exact time there. So then she attended AP Calc, but then notice, she did not fob into World Religions. And then she fobbed into the NPR at 2:28, so she must have just missed World Religions. So if she does not fob in, it's going to come up as no data entered. Open Labs, if you notice, so like here's tomorrow, the 23rd, it only lists their classes. So obviously she has Open Labs stuck in here, between 9:48 and 12:30, she's going to have an Open Lab. So those come in once they fob into somewhere. Since we don't know where they're going to be, we can't put them on their schedule. But that is how you see where a student is.